So let's talk about how Google works. The way I think about Google, it's really kind of three different parts. This first part is the searching part. The people at Google have developed some specialized computer programs that might be called robots or might be called spiders. And what these programs do is they crawl the World Wide Web, they look at web pages, they see what words have been used on what web pages, they remember what words they found where, and so these are kind of the hunter-gatherers, and then they bring it back to a big database that becomes sort of the second part, the database of all the things that the robots and spiders found, the words that are used on web pages. So this becomes, the huge terabytes, petabytes of data that Google has stored of what it's found where. Now this isn't a static database. They have to send some of these robots and spiders out every hour for news sites and maybe once a month for places that don't change very often. And two, these robots and spiders only look at the web pages that Google sends it to and then the pages that are linked from there. So it's not finding web pages that aren't linked anywhere, and it's not finding web pages that you need a password to get into because the robot and spider won't be able to do that. And also there are some ways that you can code your web pages to say spiders and robots don't look at this page. So Google can't find everything. So it's created this big database of all the words that are used on different web pages. And then we have what you're familiar with, the interface, that is the pretty box right underneath the word Google that you type in what you're looking for. And when you type things into the interface, it sends a message back to the database saying, hey, do you have any web pages that use those words? The database comes back and says, yes, I found some pages that use those words, and here they are, and it provides you links for those. So just an idea, sort of a simplified version of the way you might think about Google works, that Google finds things using computer programs. It saves what these robots and spiders find in a big database, and then when you type your query into the Google box, it looks at this database of information. Any questions, you can always send them to steve.stone@kctcs.edu.